सोलापुरात कोणत्या शाळेत ॲडमिशन घ्यायचं हा प्रश्न जर आपल्याला पडला असेल तर याचं उत्तर आहे केगाव येथील सिंहगड पब्लिक स्कूल। CBSE पद्धतीचे शिक्षण, नर्सरीपासून ते 12वीपर्यंत शिक्षण, हिरवेगार, स्वच्छ, प्रदूषणमुक्त असलेले वातावरण, इनडोर आणि आउटडोर प्ले झोन, संपूर्ण कॅम्पसमध्ये CCTV कॅमेरे, उच्च शिक्षित व अनुभवी शिक्षक, शिक्षण, संस्कृती, कला जोपासणारी शिक्षण संस्था, केगाव येथील सिंहगड पब्लिक स्कूल।
Myself Arnav and I am studying in 10th in Siagarh Public School. Talking about the JEE NEET Foundation, I personally think that it is super helpful for students like me who are going to take science in the future. As when we will enter 11th or 12th class, we would be one step ahead of everyone in the class because we already know about the topic that they are going to teach. I would like to thank the school management for appointing such a good faculty and not taking any extra fees from us. I personally think that if we would have taken the same foundation class from anywhere outside classes, it would have costed a lot. So I thank you the school once again for providing this special opportunity for me to learn something new.
Myself Riddhi and I am studying in 10th Lotus. Today I had a doubt and I approached to the sir and the sir nicely replied and cleared my doubt, and I had a satisfying reply from the sir. It was very nice and it is very friendly enough. The sir is very good enough and the classes are very good for JEE NEET.
Hello everyone, I am Samarth Shinde from class 10th. I am studying in Siagarh Public School and Junior College, Kegav, Solapur. Our school pays sufficient attention towards sports. Our school has 4 faculty members who are skillful and experienced. Our school has different setups for indoor and outdoor games. For outdoor games, the setups are ready for playing cricket, football, volleyball, etc. Indoor games like table tennis, chess, carom and badminton, the setups are ready.
My name is Sanskruti Dehbate and I am currently studying in 10th grade. So I am here to share my experience about Siagarh Public School, Kegav, Solapur. Firstly, I will tell about the campus. Campus is such a large, beautiful and environment friendly, which always refreshes my mind to study. Then second thing, I will tell about the teachers. Teachers are very loving and supportive. They always motivate us to study.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Patkar from class 10th. Today I am here to express about my school, Siagarh Public School, Kegav, Solapur. Coming towards other curricular activities, personally to me, I was very lack in confidence, self-confidence, and I was very fear to stand on the stage and to speak few words at least. But now, as I am in 10th class, I am that much of confidence to speak about anything and I can stand on the stage very clearly.
I am Muzalfa Ustad. Here in Siagarh, I teach subject biology for about 4 years. In this school, we give all the information which is related to NEET. Here, we teach all the foundations of biology as well as related to NEET, from the cell level up to molecular level, from non-flowering to flowering.
Hello, my name is Professor Vinay Zokare. I am recruited here as a faculty for Mathematics Foundation. The foundation classes concentrate mainly on the basics of maths, wherein in maths we are going to teach about the algebra and geometry both, and in algebra and geometry we are going to cover the main topics under consideration are quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions. In geometry we are concentrating mainly on trigonometry and inverse trigonometry, which are most required, and the mensuration part. So basically in maths what we try to do is we try to visualize maths for the students. It's not only about solving the problems but seeing mathematics as a whole. So if you are writing an equation, you should be able to see how the equation looks like in the graph. So basically we are focusing mainly on the maths core concepts for foundation for 8th to 10th and as well as 11th and 12th. For 8th to 10th it is foundation, and in foundation we are focusing on the competitive examinations, and since we are focusing on the competitive exams also, we are taking mental ability as a part of it, like solving numerical aptitude problems, or maybe there are some problems which are out of the syllabus, like some puzzles which are very interesting to solve, and they give the analytical ability to students. So logical and analytical ability of the students is improved by this maths course.
Hello all, मेरा नाम शशिकांत हिप्परगी है. मैं बेसिकली फिज़िक्स का फैकल्टी हूँ. अब आप लोगों को ये डाउट आएगा कि फाउंडेशन में एग्जैक्टली हम लोग लेते क्या हैं. अभी तक हम लोग अगर देखें तो 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 के बच्चों को हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं फाउंडेशन और JEE और नीट के बारे में पढ़ाते हैं. तो बेसिकली लोगों का क्वेश्चन रहता है कि फाउंडेशन एग्जैक्टली है क्या। तो फाउंडेशन इज़ ऑल अबाउट इंक्रीजिंग द क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, लॉजिकल थिंकिंग एंड एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग। तो हम लोग यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे मतलब रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें भी लेते हैं जिसको समझने के बाद या सुनने के बाद या सोचने के बाद बच्चों का एक आगे का सोच डेवलप होता है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम सिर्फ एटम के बारे में बताएं तो बच्चों को शायद उतना मज़ा नहीं आएगा, बट जब हम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव ही क्यों है या उसमें पॉजिटिविटी क्या है, नेगेटिविटी क्या है, तो बच्चों में एक जुनून आता है, एक मज़ा आता है उसको सीखने का, वो विजुअलाइज करने लगते हैं। तो अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ तो व्हाट इज़ फिजिक्स? फिजिक्स इज़ अबाउट द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द यूनिवर्स, एंड व्हाट इज़ मैथमेटिक्स? मैथमेटिक्स इज़ द लैंग्वेज टू अंडरस्टैंड द यूनिवर्स। सो फिजिक्स एंड मैथ्स दे गो हैंड इन हैंड। तो इसलिए जब हम पढ़ाते हैं फिजिक्स तो हम लोग मैथ्स भी उतना इंपॉर्टेंटली लेते हैं और उसके साथ साथ हम फिजिक्स का भी कॉन्सेप्ट उतना ही पढ़ाते हैं। तो ये सब हम लोग फाउंडेशन में और JEE नीट के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए लगाते हैं। यहाँ पे हम ये देखते हैं कि बच्चे एलोबरेटली ज़्यादा लिखने के बजाय शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कम समय पे कैसे वो कोई भी क्वेश्चन को पढ़ के समझ के और प्रॉपर आंसर पे वो टिक मार कर पाए, ये हमारा मेन एम रहता है। थैंक यू।
Myself, Dr. Amit Kamble, Assistant Professor in Chemistry subject. Here I taught chemistry subject for 8 to 12 standard students for the preparation of JEE, NEET and CET examination.